everything was, it's a complete package. Everything was perfect, and it was really helpful. Uh, Before joining this course, I was, uh, I was like, I was doing security work. I was doing a Uber, so I was completely, yeah. So when I joined this course, honestly speaking, I got some hope. When I joined the course, I was learning SQL, so I got some hope, and I got few, really helpful, tips. The most, I think, the important one was the creating the blog. Honestly speaking, the employer asked all the questions that were on my blog. So he told me that, okay, we have seen your blog, you have written this. Oh, tell me about this one. So everything was, it was very, so it was a very good tip that I created a blog. And internship, it also helped me because, whenever the employers were contacting me about the interview, they were asking about what's your current situation. Whenever I'm currently working with MVP Studio, so I was getting some positive, positive responses. Yeah, before that, they were asking what's your current situation. Nothing, I was doing a Uber or security. So yes, it was very helpful course, and I got a job.
Okay, that's
yeah,
good.
in 3 months, I started internship in February, March, April, May, June, 4 months. Yeah, thank you so much for all your support and guidance. Yeah, like it's a complete package. Firstly, training is also important. Like when I joined the course, I honestly speaking, I did not have any knowledge about the Power BI. Because I have most of my experiences on Oracle databases. So when I joined this course, I learned data warehousing, Power BI, SSIS, SSRS, SSAS. So that's the first thing I got learned on the new and latest technologies. Second, I got some tips like creating a blog. And after the blog, I got an experience. It's a live experience and references. I used your references and Daniel's references. Yeah, it's a complete, package. I cannot say that's only the training is important. No, everything is connected and everything is important. Yeah. One should follow all the, instructions. Like if you guys are saying to create a blog, then we should take it seriously. It's not just, okay, I will create a blog. No, honestly speaking, I got this job, and the employer, they were asking all the questions that were present in my blog. Whatever I was writing SQL related stuff, I was writing Power BI related stuff. They opened all the, all my pages, and they were asking, okay, you have written this one, can you explain what you have written? Oh God. Yes. So they would say that, okay, you are like that shows that about your passion about the technology, you are up to date about the technology. This way. My favorite part, it was in the Lincoln session when they gave me assignment. That was the favorite part because I learned a lot in the assignment. Yes, yeah, it was a great learning because sometimes we are just following the sessions, attending the sessions, internships. But when the Lincoln gave the project, I was doing creating the databases, creating the SSIS packages. It was challenging and it was great learning. Yeah, it was a favorite part. Yeah. I got confidence as well there because I learned how to create a databases. I learned how to create SSIS packages. I learned how to create Power BI reports. I really enjoyed that project. I have already recommended one of my friends from 18 has joined it.